So this is Wilson. Say hi, Wilson. Say hi. Look at you. Look at you. Oh yeah, look at you, little muffin. He is from Australia. They live up to 25 years. He is a cockatiel. And you probably hear him in all my videos. He's very loud and he is a little attention hog, aren't you? Yeah. He's such a little poop. Yeah. Oh, did you almost fall off? What are you looking at your feet for? You cute? Yeah? You cute? Yeah. And he's always with his mama. Yeah. Yeah? You're a dinosaur? Show mama. Show mama you're a dinosaur. You show mama you're a dinosaur. Roar. 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 Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Good boy. Dinosaur. You're a dinosaur.